Hi, Di the Safe Guy, Hawley here, today to talk about the Tracker miniature floor safe. This Tracker floor safe is probably the smallest floor safe in the business today. It weighs about 18 pounds. You can install it in concrete, of course. There's pre-drilled holes on the sides or on the bottom, so you can secure it flush with concrete after you dig a hole and then pour concrete around it. It's almost 5 inches tall, and it's 13.5 inches wide, and then it's 6.5 inches the other direction. The Tracker miniature floor safe has a key lock, and this key lock is connected to two 3/4 inch door bolts. This is a really heavy duty for a small safe like this. The door bolts go underneath the frame of the safe here, and of course on the back side here, this goes under the frame as well. There's a nice little felt carpet in here in case you're storing something like a handgun or something like that, so it doesn't get scratched or other material that is you don't want to have directly on metal. This safe runs right at $100 or less. So if you're looking for a real value safe that you can hide belongings in, under the floor and under a carpet, look no further than the Tracker miniature floor safe. This is Di Hawley signing off for today. Thank you very much.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates of all of our products and videos.